everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I have a makeup tutorial for you that is based off of sunflowers that I also was inspired by my soon-to-be sister-in-law. She absolutely loves sunflowers, and when I made this a while back and posted a picture of it, a friend of mine requested that I did a tutorial, so this is for you. I hope you all enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so I've already primed and moisturized my face, put my foundation on, I did my brows, and primed my eyes. I also already did my Jumbo Eye Pencil Milk as my base for my eyes, and then I just set it with white eyeshadow just to set it. Just to give myself a little bit of a head start so I'm not here for days. So let's just get into it already. First, I will be taking a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking the darkest brown in my BH palette. And I'm just going to be putting it in the outermost part of my eye. And you can see this is my little mirror I'm going to be using so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Remember to take a little bit out of a time. You can always add more, you just can't take away. With this brush right here, we're just going to be taking the medium to dark brown. We're just going to be putting it right next to it, so it's a nice gradient colors that I'm going to be going for. It's also going to act as the transition color to the bright colors that I'm going to be adding in. So it just blends really nicely. Okay, and then next we're going to be taking the orange and then as you can see, just placing it right there. What I like to do is I like to take the same brush that I've been using for the orange to kind of like bring it into the light dark brown, and kind of just like blend it into each other a little bit better. It just gives it a nice like smooth transition in my eyes. That's what it is. And then next we're going to be using the yellow. I'm very excited to have this bright yellow because when I first did it, it was more of a muted yellow, and I didn't really want that so much. It was more of like very fall colors, and I mean it still is very fall colors, but I really wanted to like really scream, oh, this is supposed to be like based off of a sunflower. So, and then we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it right here. go. Then we're going to be taking a clean, fluffy blending brush to just blend everything together. Just like that. Not very much. It was just to help with that right there. To be taking the same brush that we used for the yellow, clean, or if you have any other small brushes that are kind of like this in any way, use that for the bottom part there. For the parts right here, use a more smaller brush. For me, I like to use 2 different brushes. I like to use the big fluffy blending brush for down here. Again, because I like very dramatic eyeliner, I like to make sure that my eyeshadow is seen throughout. And then I use this one, or like a smaller brush like this for like the inner right there. So, take my fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to drag the dark brown right there. Just gonna make it deepen it a little bit because I already started doing that earlier, just out of habit. Woo. It's scary for now. I promise I'll fix it. We're gonna take the medium to brown color and we're gonna put it right next to it and then blend everything together. And then the clean blending brush, and I'm gonna just fix. I'm gonna take my translucent powder to fix it. Then we're going to take the little brush and then we're going to do the same orange and then the yellow and then highlight is the end. And then we're going to take this brush to do the yellow. Okay, now we're going to take the highlight. We're going to use this brush. A nice little highlight brush. I love this, using this one for my eyes. And it's going to be just a subtle gold highlight. Next, we're going to just be taking our eyeliner and doing that. And I'm going to also take care of the mascara and everything else, and I will be right back. excuse like what's happening right here. I have bad allergies, and so my eyes have been watering and it's causing a problem. But anyways, you get the gist of like just like what you can do the eyeliner however you want to. This is how I like to do it. And then if for added measure, if you would like to, you could do like the dots. You could kind of do them like right here. You could do like some dots there. I do the dots to kind of symbolize as the pods, the sunflower seeds that are in the middle of the sunflower. And I'm just gonna keep them up there for this one. The other one that I did like some dots here and stuff like that. I just want to keep it simple for today. And then I'm going to go into my contour and my highlight. And then I'm going to be using 2 different brushes today. I just want to test this technique out. I don't know if I'm going to continue to do this or not, but I'm going to use this to kind of just like place the contour where I want it to be. And then I'll use my actual contour brush to blend everything out. And now the highlight. And I'm going to be using a fan brush. If you've noticed these brush sets, I got them for Christmas. First time using a fan brush. I love it. And now I'm going to do my lips. Using this brush to help get in the Cupid's bow. There's the look. I went back in and tried to touch up a little bit the areas where my eyes have been watering, but this is the look. Remember to live your life for yourself and do all things with kindness, and forever stay spooky, my friends.